Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Oakley Meta Vanguards.
And announce the brand new Oakley Meta Vanguard.
Now, Mark Zuckerberg announced several different smart glasses at the media event. They announced the second generation Ray-Ban Metas, which I do have a full review video on. I will have it linked down below. They also announced the Meta Ray-Ban displays, which was obviously the star of the show. Again, I did cover those glasses as well. I will have that video linked down below as well. But I was also interested in these Oakley Meta Vanguards. We'll take a closer look at them after the break. Welcome back, and do me a favor, guys, hit that subscribe button and bell notification to be notified of future content. These Oakley Meta Vanguards cost $499 USD and are available in 4 different colors. Technically, 2 different color frames, white and black, and 4 different color shades, with the first of which being a black color frame option with the Prism 24 karat gold lenses. Next is the color option that I chose, and that was the white frame color with the Prism black lens option. I thought they were the least bold, loud, or standoffish, however you want to say it, and obviously black and white's going to go with everything. Next is the black frame with the Prism Road lens color option. This was actually going to be my secondary pick if I didn't go with the white and black color option. And lastly is the white frame with the Prism Sapphire lens color option. I think these look really awesome as well and really have that iconic Oakley look. Now you might be asking yourself, what's so special about these Oakley Meta Vanguards over any other model that Meta provides? And that would be a valid question, so let's go ahead and take a closer look. So as you can see here, starting off with the camera, the Oakley Meta Vanguards feature an action-ready 12 megapixel camera that shoots up to 3K video. So technically this is an action camera on your face, and I'll tell you why with further features here in a second. Now, something that I wanted to quickly mention is that there's no prescription option for the Oakley Meta Vanguards. Now back to the camera, again we get that ultra-wide 12 megapixel camera that, as you can see, is centered in the center of the smart glasses instead of on the side. This is going to help you properly frame your shot. Now, one thing to also mention is this is also the widest camera field of view out of all Meta Smart Glass models, coming in at 122 degrees. They also feature auto capture with Garmin, hyperlapse, and slow motion, and up to 3K video resolution at 30 frames per second, and up to 60 frames per second at 1080p. And we also get adjustable stabilization at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Next up, these Oakley Meta Vanguards have the longest battery life out of all Meta Smart Glass models. The glasses themselves are capable of lasting up to 9 hours, and you also get an additional 36 hours with the charging case. Next is a feature that also helps these stand out and apart from the rest of the smart glass models, and that is the great audio. So instead of the regular discrete open-ear speakers with adaptive volume that the Ray-Ban Metas have, these Oakley Meta Vanguards have discrete open-ear speakers optimized for sports and wind, and the onboard 5-mic array system also features wind reduction. And the last really important feature to mention before we actually get a little bit deeper into these glasses is the weather rating. As you can see, all the rest of the glasses are IPX4, and these are IP67, meaning they're dust and water resistant. And the last really big feature on these glasses that separate themselves from the other models is that these feature a customizable action button. Next, let's go ahead and take a closer look at what we get in the box. As you can see on the side of the box, it does say Vanguard, and on the top of the box it says Oakley and Meta. Let's go ahead and rip open the iconic orange Oakley tag. Now, after sliding out that outer protective packaging, we do have an inner box that says Vanguard on the front and has the Oakley logo on the side. Opening up the box itself, it does have a collapsible box style presentation, which I really like. It seems to be a theme amongst a lot of smart glass companies. Now, included in the small pamphlet is 2 pieces of literature as well as a drawstring bag. The first piece of literature is a safety and warranty guide, and the second is a get started guide, which helps you get up and running with your charging case. And the drawstring carrying bag for the glasses is really nice as well. As you can see, we have the Oakley logo as well as the Meta logo. And of course, in the box is the charging case and glasses themselves. Let's go ahead and place those off to the side for a second. And underneath the charging case is a pair of high and low bridge nose pads. So it's nice to see that you can get a perfect fit for your exact size nose. Taking a closer look at the charging case, you can kind of see that woven pattern that it has to it. On the top of the case is the Oakley logo, and on the front is the charging LED indicator. On the bottom is the USB Type-C charging port and Bluetooth pairing button. The case is bulky, however it looks like it'll provide excellent protection for your Oakley Meta Vanguards. Opening up the case for the very first time, we're presented with the Oakley Meta Vanguard. I have to say I'm immediately overwhelmed with the smell of leather or fabric, microfiber, whatever type of material they used for the interior portion of this case, it definitely has the smell of that. I hope it doesn't affect the glasses themselves. So removing that battery tab and taking the glasses out, I have to say that my first impressions of the glasses themselves is that they feel excellent in the hand. They're not too heavy, not too light. They definitely feel premium and very well built. The lenses look like they're made very well, and you can see the nose guards here. You can see it wraps around the camera itself. We have the Oakley logos here on the back sides of the arms. And wow, I have to say these look amazing, and they definitely look different than anything that Meta's offered in the past. However, if you're an Oakley fan, you do recognize this iconic style and model. This particular lens color option features a 11% light transmission. In terms of dimensions, hinge to hinge, we have 136 millimeters. The lens height is 59 millimeters and the temple length is 120 millimeters. In regards to weight, the frames weigh 66 grams and the charging case weighs 258 grams. And again, just to quickly touch basis on the camera, as it is one of the most important features on these smart glasses, we do get that 12 megapixel ultra wide 122 degree field of view. In terms of resolution, we get 4032 by 3024 image, and under the hood we get 32 gigabytes of flash storage, which equals 1,000 photos and 100 plus 30-second videos. We also get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, and the glasses are compatible with an Android 10 operating system or above and an iOS 15.2 and above operating system. Both the glasses and the case feel very well built, and I have to say that Meta and EssilorLuxottica have made a great combination with the Oakley Meta Vanguards. One of the reasons that I picked up the Oakley Meta Vanguards was to help with content creation. Now, one of the things that I like to do is to punch in on the footage, and with 3K video recording, you're able to punch in and still get some really crisp looking video. So let's go ahead and take a look at some samples now. Let me know down in the comments section below what you think about the punched in footage. Alright guys, so I just wanted to go for a quick walk in the neighborhood. I have to say that I really like the way these Vanguards are fitting. The audio quality is excellent. And I mean, let me know what you guys think. How do they look? The Oakley Meta Vanguards also feature support for Garmin and Strava integration, so you can overlay your statistics over the video footage while you're cycling. And I also wanted to mention that you can replace these lenses and swap them out with the other lenses that are available on the other glasses. So that's pretty cool as well. So you can mix and match the frames and lenses. After using the Oakley Meta Vanguards for around a week, I wanted to bring you guys this review. And now I'm not somebody who does skiing and kayaking and snowboarding. I wanted to bring you a review from someone who is just the average consumer and someone who's going to use them on a daily basis for average things. With that being said, I have to say that I really enjoy using these Oakley Meta Vanguards on a daily basis. The image quality is excellent, the audio quality is excellent as well, and I really like the overall fit and design, and I highly recommend them to everyone out there. If this video was helpful and or informative in any way, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to be notified of future content. Also drop a like down below and leave me a comment and let me know what you think about the Oakley Meta Vanguards and which particular frames and lens combination you like. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you guys for watching. My name is Aaron and I'll see you guys on the next one.